Extrañamente la FIFA mintió y no presentó víctima ni testigo durante el juicio que se lleva a cabo a mediados de noviembre a través de video en noviembre. El mejor experto legal de la comisión ad hoc elegida por la FIFA para llevar a cabo la investigación ha declarado públicamente que nunca encontró. A través de testigos vespertinos es cierto que los empleados de la FHF han escrito directamente a la FIFA para contar historias, pero han evitado cualquier declaración ante la comisión de la FIFA responsable de investigar en nombre de la FIFA, y han hecho todo lo posible para evitar ir a los archivos. Durante la llamada en Suiza, a pesar de que FIFA y CAS iban a cubrir todos los gastos relacionados con su viaje, Premeus Jasmine Fenelus Guerrier hizo para esquivar el viaje a Zurich. Por lo tanto, la FIFA mintió al decir que estos testigos no fueron escuchados. En realidad tenían miedo de ir a Suiza porque los que mintieron serán llevados ante el sistema de justicia federal suizo para ser juzgados. Es por ello que marcaron los contadores para no presentarse ante el CAS en marzo de 2022 por miedo a ser detenido.
Bizarrely FIFA lie. And had presented no victim or witness during the judgment, which takes place in mid-November. Via video in November. Des legal expert of the ad hoc commission chosen by FIFA to conduct the investigation has publicly declared that he never found the facts that FIFA says he heard, through evening witnesses admittedly. Employees of the FHF have indeed written directly to FIFA to tell stories, but have avoided any deposition with the FIFA commission, responsible for investigating on behalf of FIFA, and have done everything to avoid going to file during the call in Switzerland, despite that FIFA and CAS were going to cover all the costs related to their trip. Premiers Jasmine Fenelus Guerrier made to dodge the trip to Zurich. FIFA therefore lied by saying that these witnesses were not heard. In reality, they were afraid to go to Switzerland, because those who lied will be brought before the Swiss federal justice system to be judged. It is for this reason that the counters marked not to go before the CAS in March 2022 for fear of being arrested.
Jean-Bart de Haití sigue en libertad de regresar, después de que la Corte Suiza respalda el fallo de abuso sexual del CAS. 7 de julio de 2023, 7 de julio, los jueces federales suizos desestimaron la apelación de la FIFA contra un fallo que anuló la suspensión de por vida de Yves Jean-Bart, expresidente de la Federación de Fútbol de Haití, por presunto abuso sexual de jugadoras de la selección nacional. El veredicto de la Corte Suprema de Suiza, publicado el jueves, rechazó la solicitud de la FIFA, presentada en marzo, de anular un fallo del Tribunal de Arbitraje Deportivo CAS que levantó la expulsión de Jean-Bart. Los organismos de derechos humanos reaccionaron con incredulidad cuando el CAS decidió
Haiti's Jean-Bart remains free to return after Swiss court backs CAS sex abuse ruling. The 7th of July 2023. July 7th, Swiss federal judges have dismissed FIFA's appeal against a ruling that overturned its life ban on Yves Jean-Bart, the former president of Haiti's Football Federation, for alleged sexual abuse of women's national team players. The verdict from Switzerland's Supreme Court, released on Thursday, rejected FIFA's request, filed in March, to annul a Court of Arbitration for Sport (CAS) ruling that lifted Jean-Bart's expulsion. Human rights bodies reacted with disbelief when CAS decided the then 75-year-old's ban should be annulled due to insufficient evidence, but the Swiss court which rarely overturns CAS judgments, agreed with the ruling even though FIFA argued that CAS judges failed to evaluate some evidence. The decision by 3 Swiss Federal Tribunal judges was dated June 28, less than a month before Haiti makes its debut at the Women's World Cup against England in Brisbane. Ironically, Haiti's women progressed through qualifying just at the time longtime federation president Jean-Bart, known as Dadou, was banished from the sport. Most of the women's team play their club football. In France, FIFA's ethics committee had banned Jean-Bart in November 2020, after hearing allegations of multiple sexual offenses against women and girls who were in national team squads. Inside WorldFootball.com news. Haiti's Jean-Bart remains free to return after Swiss court backs CAS sex abuse ruling. Welcome back, President.